presenting the fully automatic pillow vacuum packing machine by Multipro Machines. Simply place the pillow on the conveyor belt. The machine automatically carries it to the compression and sealing section. Once the pillow reaches the sealing area, the machine automatically stops in position for accurate packing. The pillow is compressed and sealed perfectly without any human intervention. The machine provides strong 5mm end-to-end sealing with accurate compression. It also features adjustable heating and cooling time, allowing you to pack pillows or cushions with different bag thickness. The machine is equipped with advanced safety features, including safety grills and worker hand protection. It also comes with an inbuilt air filter, regulator, and lubricator with branded pneumatic components. With this machine, you can reduce manpower and significantly improve worker safety.
Multipro Machines offers 24/7 customer support, worldwide logistics, and a 1-year warranty. For sales, call us at +91 72 020 21999 or email sales@multipromachines.com. Visit our website www.multipromachines.com.